Hello everyone, welcome to you all in my YouTube channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you my Adobe Stock Earning Proof of January month. Okay, so before also I show you my Adobe Stock Earning Proof, but in this video I'm going to show you my 2023 January month earning proof. Okay, so I'm just clicking I'm going to in my contributor dashboard. Okay guys, so first of all I'm going to in the dashboard, then after that I'm just clicking here. After that I'm going to change the date here. I'm just going to change the date from January 1 to January 30. Okay, and I'm just clicking in the display statistics, and now you can see it is showing me that. I'm just clicking download. Okay guys, so now you can see here is my total sales. So I got 1 2 3 4 5 6 sales in the month of 2023 January 1. And if I click in the earning, now you can see I have total $3.06. That was my January month total earning. Okay, so hoping that you get few motivation. Thank you so much.